An Italian cream cake is a coconut and pecan cake covered in cream cheese frosting. My version is covered in finely chopped toasted pecans and toasted coconut, with untoasted coconut and pecans between each layer. The cake is so light and moist because of buttermilk and whipped egg whites. It's flavorful due to both vanilla and almond extracts. This cake looks impressive, but easy to make, and you don't have to frost it perfectly because it's totally covered. The cream cheese icing is smooth and buttery, and the toasted sweetened coconut has caramel notes to it. You have to make this ASAP, so let's get started. First, separate 5 eggs. We will be whipping the whites. Separate the whites first in a small bowl before adding to a larger bowl because you don't want one bad egg or a trace of egg yolk to ruin the entire batch of whites. Place the yolks in a separate bowl. We will be adding the yolks to the creamed butter and sugar mixture. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees at this time and grease and flour 3 9 or 8-inch cake pans. Cream together 2 sticks of softened butter with 2 cups of white sugar. Save 1 tablespoon of sugar to whip with the whites to stabilize them. Add in your egg yolks to the creamed butter and sugar one at a time until incorporated. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Mix to combine. Now we will add our dry ingredients and buttermilk. I pre-mixed the dry ingredients, which are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon table salt. Add only 1/3 of the dry ingredients, followed by a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Add in your next third of your dry ingredients, followed by another 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And with the last third of your dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Now whip your egg whites. Get it frothy first, then stream in the 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whip to medium stiff peaks. With a spatula, fold in the egg whites in 2 batches until no white streaks remain. Now pour the batter into your 3 prepared pans. I recommend weighing them for even-sized cake layers. Smooth the top and bake for around 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. Do not overbake. Before making your frosting, make sure you have some toasted and untoasted sweetened coconut on hand along with toasted finely chopped pecans. To make the frosting, beat together 2 sticks of softened butter with 16 ounces of softened cream cheese in a large bowl. Don't beat it too long or the mixture will get watery. Add in 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Ideally, you would sift it, but I forgot to. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now assemble the cake by adding a small amount of frosting to prevent the cake from slipping. Add your first cake layer. Spread frosting evenly over it. Then sprinkle some pecans and untoasted coconut. Add your next cake layer and repeat the process. Frost the top and sides. Then stick your toasted coconut and pecans on the top and sides. I forgot to film this. Decorate as you wish and dig in. Enjoy.